Hello everyone, Mag Watch Review brings you a comparison review today. We are sharing the Blue Submariner produced by VS Factory. Currently, for the Blue Submariner, the best version on the market is from VS Factory. This Blue Submariner features the 41mm case size. There are old versions and new versions. For the old version, there is no coronet logo at the 6 o'clock position. It used the 3135 movement. If it has the coronet, it uses the 3235 movement. For the genuine watch, the 3235 movement has a power reserve of approximately 72 hours. The VS Factory version utilizes the Teardown 3235 movement. Its power reserve and kinetic storage capacity are identical to the genuine movement. Therefore, the VS Factory version is the best made one. Many smaller factories also produce this Blue Submariner model. First, let's take a look at its dimensions. Measuring. The case diameter is 40.6 mm. The official specification is 41 mm, but the actual measurement is 40.6 mm. The thickness is 12.9 mm. This Blue Submariner is extremely exquisite and beautiful. Let's look at the craftsmanship. The solid center pinion is executed perfectly. It features a sapphire crystal and uses 9L stainless steel. Showing the watch. The external appearance is completely flawless. Now let's check its adjustment method. Unscrew the crown, pull it out to position 1 to wind it. Pull to position 2 to adjust the calendar date. And position 3 to adjust the time. Regarding time adjustment, the Teardown 3235 movement operates with inverse adjustment. It is inverse winding for forward time travel. You must remember this. If it is forward winding for forward time travel, then it is not the Teardown 3235. That would be the Shanghai 3235 or another movement. Remember, the true Teardown 3235 uses inverse winding to advance the hands. This is the genuine Teardown movement. I will open the case back shortly to show you. These blue tones appear very natural. There isn't a significant color discrepancy. The Lume tape is slightly yellowish, not the type that looks stark white. The dial printing is also very decent. Let's take a look. I will show you the effect on the wrist. Trying on the watch. My wrist is quite thin, so I may not be suited to wear this watch. If someone with a larger wrist wears this watch, I think it would look quite nice. Wrist shot. Let's verify its luminous performance. First, let's observe the light absorption. Lume shot. It has the ice blue lume, very nice. Visual. Okay, next let's look at it. Regarding the clasp buttons. Its clasp code is, let's see. It is ST9. The code is ST9. It features the precious metal logos. The 750 18K, the dog head, and the scales hallmarks are all present. Also, I need to mention something about this watch. The genuine version is originally made of 18,000 white gold. Therefore, the genuine watch weight is slightly heavier. The replica has the precious metal logos and hallmarks imprinted. Take a look at this. The finish is exquisite, it won't feel scratchy. ST9. Showing clasp details. The entire watch is very well constructed. The primary flaw of this watch lies in its weight. The genuine is heavier because it uses precious metal, which has a higher density. This VS factory version uses steel material. Steel is certainly not as heavy as precious metal, so it will be slightly lighter. If you cannot accept this difference, do not play with this watch. Let's look at the movement. The only way to distinguish it is very simple. We unscrew the case back and expose the movement. The real Teardown 3235 ... this is the one. Remember, the Teardown 3235 looks like this. Its power reserve reaches approximately 72 hours. If you open the case and it is not this movement, then it is not VS Factory. For the VS Factory 3235, these two gears are located on the exterior. If you encounter those Shanghai 3235 movements, they only have a single device inside here. That refers to the Shanghai 3235, not the Teardown 3235. Okay, regarding this review, we will just shut up to this point. If you like our videos, remember to follow. Click like. See you next time.